Today, we're going to talk about why you need to start investing today. What's up, everybody, and welcome to Master Money. My name is Andrew. I'm the host of the Personal Finance Podcast and founder of Master Money. And today, we're going to talk about exactly why you need to start investing today. And what I want to go through is what would happen if you invested X amount of dollars every single month over the course of 40 years with an 8% return. What would happen? And we're going to go through $100, $200, $500, $1,000 to see how much money you would have in 40 years if you invest that money with an 8% return. Now, where do I get 8% return from? Looking at the stock market as a whole, over the course of time, since 1929, it has actually had a return of 10%, but being conservative, I want to bring it down to 8% just to have realistic expectations. So the first one, what if you invested $100 a month for 40 years with an 8% return? How much money would you have? Well, if you did that, you would have $349,000. So you can think of it this way. Every $25 a week that you invest, or every $100 a month that you invest, you would have $349,000. And this is a way to trick your mind into actually putting your money towards your investments, because that $25 a week or $100 a month has a significant impact on your net worth over a long period of time. The next one, what if you invested $200 a month over the course of 40 years? If you invested $200 a month over the course of 40 years, you would have $698,000. Compound interest is amazing, isn't it? $200 a month. That's it. So that's $50 a week to have $698,000 by the time you retire. Well, what if you wanted to have $1 million by the time you retire in 4 years? What if you wanted to get yourself $1 million? Then how much do you have to invest every single month? Well, if you invested $300 a month, you'd have $1,047,000 in 40 years by the time you retire. Just $300 a month. How many things do you go out and spend $300 on per month? Maybe the bars, or you're going out buying clothes, or you're going out to eat, that you can invest that money instead and have over $1 million. And you can think about it this way. Is that thing that you put your money towards every single month, is that thing worth $1 million to you by the time you retire? Because if it's not, then it's worth putting that money towards investments instead. Well, what if you wanted to bump that up and you wanted to have more than $1 million? Then what would you have to do? Well, if you invested $500 a month, you'd have $1.7 million in your account. So this is a great one to look at for something like a Roth IRA, which has income limits of $6,000 a year that you can actually put into a Roth IRA. So looking at that, you could have $1 million Roth IRA in 40 years if you start investing early and opting and maxing that bad boy out. Now, what if you bumped it up? And what if you went to $1,000 a month? How much money would you have if you invested $1,000 a month at an 8% rate of return? This is wild. You ready? $1,000 a month at an 8% rate of return is $3.4 million over the course of 40 years. So every $1,000 that you invest could turn into $3.4 million. I don't know about you, but there's a lot of things that you can do in retirement with $3.4 million. In fact, you could draw down $140,000 a year on $3.4 million and preserve your wealth based on the 4% rule. That's an absolute amazing thing to have in retirement. Now, what if you started to get crazy and you started to invest $2,000 a month over the course of 40 years at an 8% return? How much money would you have? This one's crazy. If you had $2,000 a month to invest over the course of 40 years, you'd have $6.9 million. With $6.9 million, you could draw down $280,000 a year and still preserve your wealth based on that 4% rule. That's a wonderful retirement to have. What if you bumped it up to $3,000 a month over the course of 40 years at an 8% return? How much money would you have if you invested $3,000 a month? Well, with $3,000 a month, you'd have $10.4 million. There's not a lot of people in this world that can build up enough wealth to have $10.4 million. And you can do it with consistent investing with a large lump sum. I understand $3,000 is a lot of money, but figuring out a way to increase your income and get your income up will allow you to have over $10 million by the time you retire. And the last one, what if you invested $5,000 a month? Maybe you had a business that was spitting off cash, or you had a job that paid a lot of money. What if you invested $5,000 a month over the course of 40 years? With $5,000 a month over the course of 40 years, you have $17.5 million. $17.5 million just puts you in a total other league by investing that much money every single month. Listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you saw the power of investing your money. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. And if you enjoyed this video, here are 2 more videos that I know you're gonna love, and we'll see you on the next video.